Well, the sun is shining through my window wide. Got a little package waiting right outside. It's my book Nook insert kit, I can hardly wait. I'm gonna dive into the magic, ain't that just great? With tiny pieces waiting, all packaged neat, I grab my tools, it's time to take a seat. Oh, I'm building dreams in my book Nook tonight. Piece by piece, it's gonna feel so right. With every little corner and every tiny wall, I'm lost in the magic, oh, I'm having a ball. Addicted to the joy that these miniatures bring. With my heart and the craft, I'm ready to sing. From fairy lights to furniture, oh, can't you see? I'm lost in this world and it's calling me. I lay out all the parts, it feels like a dream. Every tiny detail is brighter than it seems. A tiny bookshelf with tales yet untold, they'll come alive as my story unfolds. A little cement here, a touch of glue there, I'm building a world, I'm breathing the air of tiny wonders that dance in the light. This assembly's a treasure, it's pure delight. Oh, I'm building dreams in my book Nook tonight. Piece by piece, it's gonna feel so right. With every little corner and every tiny wall, I'm lost in the magic, oh, I'm having a ball. Addicted to the joy that these miniatures bring. With my heart in the craft, I'm ready to sing. Family and friends come gather round, they see what I've built, it's the talk of the town. Where'd you get that? They're all asking me. With every little nook I can feel the glee. We're taking turns building, it's a crafty retreat. With laughter and stories it can't be beat. So let's gather around and let's take our time. In this world of wonder, everything will rhyme. With love in each piece and joy in each scene, come join the adventure, let's live that dream. So if you got a kid and you want some fun, gather your loved ones, let's get this done. In the world of book nooks, together we'll play, building happy memories to brighten our day. Yeah, I'm building it strong in my book nook today, with happiness inside. I'm here to stay.